Hello friends, now today's problem is if a polygon of n sides has 1 by 2 into n minus 3 diagonals, then how many sides will a polygon having 65 diagonals, and is there a polygon with 50 diagonals, he asked. So given that there is a polygon of some side, suppose there is a polygon in the sense a closed figure which has more sides. Suppose think that this is a square. How many sides for a square? 4 sides. Then number of diagonals will be, so we'll get 2 diagonals. So if suppose if there is a polygon of n sides, 4 sides means we'll get 2 diagonals. 5 sides means you have to substitute 5 here, we'll get that number of diagonals for this. So here we have to think, suppose if a polygon have, suppose he said how many sides will a polygon have? 65 diagonals. There is a polygon like this, one closed figure is there. For this polygon, if there are 65 diagonals, so suppose if there are 2 diagonals, we will get 4 sides. Similarly, we will get for if you take square, if you have 2 diagonals, then number of sides will be 4. So it means that for every 2 diagonals, we will get 4 sides. If number of diagonals increases, then we have to find the number of sides. See here. So how to calculate sides? We will start the solution. See, given number of diagonals, given number of diagonals of a polygon with n sides is equal to, he has given that number of diagonals for a polygon of n sides 1 by 2 into n minus 3. How many sides will a polygon have? 65, suppose given. Therefore number of or else we'll write given number of diagonals is equal to 65. So this one also diagonals, this one also diagonals. Therefore 1 by 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 65. So n into n minus 3 by 2 is equal to 65. Multiply here, n square minus 3n by 2 is equal to 65. n square minus 3n is equal to 2 into 65. n square minus 3n is equal to 130. That implies n square minus 3n minus 130 is equal to 0. We'll do the v form. Minus 30 n square minus 3n, we'll get 13 tens. 4 cases, plus 13 plus 10 plus 13 minus 10 minus 13 plus 10 minus 13 minus 10. So we should get minus 130. Here we will get plus 23 plus 3 minus 3 minus 23. Our value is minus 3. So this is only correct, the remaining are wrong. That implies n square minus 13n plus 10n minus 130 is equal to 0, which is common. N into n minus 13 into n plus 10 into n is 10 into 13 is equal to 0. Remove n into n minus 13 plus 10 n minus 13 is equal to 0. N plus 10 into n minus 13 is equal to 0. N plus 10 is equal to 0. N minus 13 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 10. N equal to 13. What is n? Since number of sides can't be negative, we don't have negative sides, so n is equal to 13. Therefore polygon of 65 diagonals have 13 sides. See here, given that there is a polygon of 65 diagonals. We have to find number of sides here. So we have find that a polygon with 65 diagonals have a 13 sides. That is the first statement. Second case, is there a polygon with 50 diagonals? Now we'll find out the second case in that. We have to find out whether a polygon have 50 diagonals or not. Now to check a polygon with 50 diagonals. This is second case. Same, we'll again substitute 1 by 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 50. N square minus 3n by 2 is equal to 50. N square minus 3n is equal to 50 into 2. N square minus 3n equal to 100. N square minus 3n minus 100 equal to 0. So minus 100 n square minus 3n. 150s, 100s, 250s. We don't have any other. Under 425s are 520s, 1010s. That's it. We don't have any other value, and we don't get a 3. So if in any of these cases we don't get a 3, so we'll write therefore there is no real value for n which is satisfied for above equation. Therefore there cannot be any polygon with 50 diagonals. So that's it. We'll see one more time here. See, there is a problem. The polygon of n sides has 1 into 1 by 2 and 3 diagonals. Then we have to find number of sides with the 65 diagonals. So we have taken number of diagonals given 1 by 2 into n into n minus 3. Number of diagonals, we have solved that equation and we have find out the n value, which we got minus 10 and 13. Yeah, n equal to 13 here. Therefore the polygon of 65 diagonals have 13 sides. Then to check a polygon with 50 diagonals, we have again find out the value which we cannot get n value.